All right, so now you've seen us strip the intake. Now it's time to finally get rid of this flashing all over this thing. I already kind of touched it up a little bit on these two spots, just to make sure I got the right disc, or wheel, rather. So I'm going to use a die grinder and some paper and just kind of run through this thing really quick. Should be a really quick process. Really shouldn't take you more than probably 10-15 minutes at most if you really care about it. So you notice I use two types of bits, either using a carbide, stone, something like that, something a hard material, and the sandpaper roll. So I'm doing that for a couple of reasons. So I want to use the larger, heavier bits for things like the slag areas. And then I want to come back with the sandpaper and end up with super smooth lines like you see in a few of these spots. So I'm going to come back around on all this and hit again with that sandpaper, but I'm not going to bore you guys with that video. So if you guys like what you guys see, please comment down below. Let me know what you guys do to clean your intakes up as far as porting, polishing, anything you guys do. I want to hear it. If you guys like this content, please like, please subscribe. Have a good one, and I will see you on the road.